Hey there, it's Elliot here. Thanks for tuning in. You know, we've all been there. You pick up an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, and boom, there it is. That annoying, ever-present iPhone locked to owner message. Yep, that's the iCloud activation lock for you. And it sure is a pain. Now, you might come across various services, software, or methods promising to get rid of it for you. But you have to be careful. Some might be above board. Plus, they can be pretty pricey. And let's face it, who wants to spend money when they don't have to? But don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I will show you multiple ways to completely free, safely, and quickly remove that iCloud activation lock from your device. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how easy this can be. So, stick with me and let's get this sorted, shall we? Alright, just a quick note before we get started. This info is only for folks who own their device. We're not here to help anyone do anything shady, like hacking into stuff that doesn't belong to them. We must stay on the right side of the law, respect everyone's rights, and stick to YouTube's guidelines. Now that we're clear, let's move on. There are quite a few ways to get past that iPhone locked to owner message. Let's talk about some trusted solutions out there. Remember, we're just sharing what our research has found. First up, we have Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app. That's a pretty cool name. This app uses cutting-edge AI technology to unlock your device. It's not about hacking. It's more about smartly navigating your device's system to help you regain access. Next, we have Safe Unlocks. The name says it all. It's all about unlocking your device safely without risking damage or breaking any laws. Then there's Lock to Owner, a tool explicitly targeting that iPhone lock to owner message. They've tailored their approach to this particular issue, making them specialists in the field. Lastly, but by no means least, we've got iUnlock app. Simple, clean, and effective. It's a great tool designed to get you back into your device without any unnecessary fuss. Remember, these services are just tools to help you out. They will do everything right and are all about helping you, the rightful device owner, regain access. In the upcoming segment, we will examine how you can use Unlock Here's AI Unlocking Assistant. Trust me, it's easier than you might think. But we'll save that for the next part. Stay tuned. These unlocking services work best in first world countries. Now, if you can't access them, don't worry, we've got something special for you. Each week, we offer 250 free unlocks for our viewers. Cool, right? To get in on this, all you need to do is hit that like button on this video, tap subscribe, and drop a comment below. In your comment, include your phone model, like Samsung S9, your IMEI, and the country you're in. As soon as you've done these steps, you're in. Easy peasy, right? Alright, so let's get right into it. On your phone or computer, open your browser and type in unlockhere.com. It's a neat web app with an AI assistant to unlock mobile phone restrictions. Once on the site, you'll chat with Nifty, the AI bot. Tell Nifty you need an iCloud to unlock by clicking on Activation Lock. Now it's time to select your device. We're going with an iPhone for this tutorial, but you can choose an iPad or Apple Watch if that's what you're unlocking. Next up, you need to enter your IMEI or serial number. All iPhones have IMEIs for those needing more clarification, so go with that if you're unlocking an iPhone. iPads and Apple Watches may only have a serial number, especially if they don't have a SIM card slot. Finding this info is easy. With your locked device, press the sleep button, press it again, then tap the little I on the bottom right. You'll see your device info right there. As you progress, don't forget to input your device information in the next step. You'll need to enter some basic info to attach the order to your account. Make sure it's natural so you can receive your order confirmation. You'll need to check that you agree to the terms and aren't planning on unlocking a stolen device. Remember to solve the quick CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot. Then hit Start Process. Keep an eye on your inbox because you'll get an email with a confirmation code. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Return the confirmation code from the email to the Unlock Here website. You'll enter the code there, confirm you're not a robot, and your unlocking process has started. As you can see here, we swipe up to see the iPhone locked to owner page. In this part, it really takes time and patience. We wait for the unlock process to activate the phone. And as you can see, we swipe left and wait for a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Don't worry, it will be worth the wait. You will enjoy your phone once again once it's finally unlocked. So it may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Patience is the key here. And there it is. In this part, let's skip all the setup. Don't worry, you can go back to set it all up later. Make sure to check the terms and conditions, and skip the rest of the steps and just do it all later on. And there you have it. It says welcome to iPhone. Now, go to settings and create your own Apple ID. Tap forget password or don't have Apple ID to create a new one. And here you can just add your personal details to continue. And here's a shortcut to check your device info, making sure that this is legit. And yeah, your device is now fully unlocked and ready to use. Before we move on, remember your device will be unlocked. It's that easy. Up next, we have another method for folks who fancy something different, so stick around. Alright guys, let's talk about other alternative ways to get rid of that stubborn locked message, also known as the iCloud activation lock, without needing a computer. We're going to be taking a look at legal methods that are above board and reliable. First, let's focus on legitimate ways that align with Apple's guidelines and respect the law. One method is to contact the original owner of the device. If you purchased a second-hand iPhone and got stuck with the iCloud activation lock, reaching the previous owner to remove the device from their iCloud account is a viable option. However, Apple's account recovery process is your best bet if you're like some of us and you've forgotten your access info. This involves going to iforgot.apple.com, entering your Apple ID, and following the instructions. This process could take a few days, but it works. And that's it for today. Stay tuned and let's get that tricky activation lock removed in the next videos.